guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning bestie, welcome back. So today we are going to try something amazing. We're going to try Pedros. They have this new promotion. Yeah, this is the food that we're going to try from Pedros. So I don't even know what's inside the box yet because yeah, this is my first time trying it. So let's check the box. Okay, before we check the box, let me pour my Coke. We have our Coke. So let's start with the Coke. Right? Alrighty? Alrighty? Oh, why? My Coke have eyes, guys. Forgot it in the freezer, but child. Let's sip. Ciao. So let's see what's inside the box. The box. I don't know why my phone is sliding, but let's see what's inside the box. Yo guys, I am so sorry. I don't know if I'll be able to take the food from what? I don't know if I'll be able to take the food from the box. This is how the food looks. We have 6 pieces of meat, fries, chips, and also chicken nuggets. We also have onion rings. So yeah, let's eat. So guys, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Let me find out how I'm going to position this box, because so guys, I at least tried to package it well so that you guys can see. So we have chicken nuggets, we have chips, we have 6 piece of chicken, we have 6 nuggets. We have 6 nuggets, we have 6 pieces of chicken, we have chips, we have 6 onion rings. So let's start with the nuggets. They gave us this tomato sauce dipper. So this is so good. This is how it looks. I really enjoy their nuggets. This is so good. I feel like my hands are dry, guys. Let me just go and put some lotion because that's embarrassing. So now yeah, I feel like they're better now. So if you're not living in South Africa now, we are currently on winter. It is winter in South Africa now. So during winter times, my feet and my hands get really dry. So yeah, let's proceed with what we're doing. So I think I finished all the nuggets. I'm going to try their onion rings. They're nice, but I'm not really the fan of onions, so now let's try chicken. Everyone is hyping them. Everyone is saying that Pedros chicken is the best. So let's try. Let's find out. Mm, it is really good. Mm, mm, it is really good. They're not overhyping them for nothing, guys. It is good. Mm, wow. Mm, mm. That was too nice. Mm. I feel like this is a family meal. This thing was the special was 150. Yeah, it costed 150. Ooh, I can't. I need to pay, but okay. I can feel it here, but it's not coming. Um, told you. Sorry, guys. It's bad behaviors, but what can we say? Hmm. Hmm. Monate o le mma. It's so nice. Wow. Sorry guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to leave a cute comment. So yeah, I wanted to remind you to do good. If you're from TikTok, I really appreciate it so much. If you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, please go there. I'll put my my handle here is Daisy Lesoho, as well as on Instagram, Daisy Lesoho. Just go there, show me some love, like my pictures, like, guys, you know what to do. You know what to do. So yeah, and thanks so much, guys. The way you guys are supporting me on this. I'm not really a good fan of onion rings. Any onion rings. I don't care if you are onion rings from where. I don't just. No, that's me. So guys, the girl is full. I only left 3 giant pieces of chicken. I only ate 3. This this meal is for families, a family meal. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm done. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to leave a cute comment down below. So yeah, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.